In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a thank you page in LeadPages, an essential step in nurturing your leads after they've signed up. Stay tuned, because I'll also reveal some great alternatives at the end that may better suit your needs. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to create a landing page for the thank you message. Inside your LeadPages account, go to the Create New section and select Thank You Page. You'll see a variety of templates you can use. Pick one that aligns with your brand and a type of message you want to send your visitors. Next, let's move on to customizing the page. Once you've selected your template, the first thing you should do is edit the headline. Think of this as the first impression, so make sure your thank you message is clear and welcoming. You can add some additional text like, "We're excited to have you on board," or "Your download is on its way." The third thing is adding any necessary additional elements. You may want to include a video, a special offer, or even a CTA, call to action, button that directs them to another part of your site or a special offer. LeadPages makes it easy to drag and drop elements to where you want them. The fourth thing is optimizing for mobile. Make sure your thank you page looks good on all devices. This is a step that many people overlook, but with the increase in mobile traffic, it's crucial to ensure your page is responsive. Next, let's move to tracking. You'll want to set up tracking for your thank you page. LeadPages integrates well with tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and others, so you can track how well your page is performing in terms of conversions. Once everything is set up, it's time to test the page. Make sure the message displays correctly, the CTA works as expected, and the page loads fast. No one likes waiting for a slow page. Now, here's the thing, LeadPages is a solid tool, but if you're looking for something that offers more flexibility or better integration with other marketing tools, you might want to consider alternatives. I'll dive into those in just a second, but first, let me tell you that we've partnered with LeadPages to offer an exclusive extended free trial to our viewers. You can try it out, no strings attached, and see if it works for your needs. That being said, there are some great alternatives that could be a better fit for your goals. If you're seeking a more customizable solution, or perhaps something that integrates more seamlessly with your CRM, I've got some recommendations that you'll want to check out. These options not only have free trials, but they also come with added features that you might find more useful as you grow your business. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available to you as our viewer. So, make sure to take advantage of that before you leave. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you create the perfect thank you page in LeadPages, or find an even better solution that fits your needs.